Guys, this is not a drill. It's finally here and I'm beyond excited. So, welcome to my channel. My name is Miriah and I am Learn the Lang here on YouTube. I'm so happy to see you guys. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, nice to see you again. Today, I have for you guys a product review and first impression of the Pattern Beauty line by Tracee Ellis Ross. Can we just stop for a moment? First, who doesn't love Tracee? I feel like for such a long time we were underrepresented in the hair and beauty community as curly girls, and I feel like finally we have I guess the spotlight or the ear in the public and the industry, and everyone is finally listening. So it's really nice to have this line launch first off, and I'm so appreciative that she literally targeted, I believe she said 3C hair and on. So no waves, because that's different than a curl, just kinky, curly, coily hair. Yes. I mean, and I'm just so excited to share all this with you guys. So let's dive on in. So I originally purchased two products through the beauty pattern, the Pattern Beauty website. I originally got the heavy conditioner, and then I was able to get the oil. And I know I can't say it. It starts with a J. I don't know. That's sad. That's really sad. I know the other one's an argan oil. This one starts with a J. The Jojoba. Jojoba. I don't know. But don't throw shade in the comments. But anyway, so I got the oil and the heavy conditioner off Tracee's website, and then everything else was sold out. So I had to go today at Ulta and pick up the leave-in conditioner and the shampoo. Guys, I just love this packaging. Like, even next to myself, I'm like, this is cute. I like it a lot. So one, I'm a huge Tracee Ellis Ross fan, always have been. I grew up watching Girlfriends, but Tracee's awesome. I think that she is really fun, and she's unapologetically herself, which is why I think I like her so much. I love Tracee as a person, and so when she launched this line and us having similar hair types, I was like, I have to. I mean, I've invested so much time, money, everything, stress, tears, everything into finding hair products my whole life. It's been a consistent struggle. It's one thing to find a good hair product, but it's another to find a good hair product that works for you, that is in your price point. So I really, first and foremost, want to thank Tracee for bringing out such an awesome product and such an affordable price point. Okay, so I kind of jotted some things down. So if you see me looking down, it's because I wanted to make sure I hit all the points that I wanted to get. So as far as the whole line, the first impression was the packaging. I mean, it's really pretty. I love that she wanted to have packaging that was representative of our history as Black women, and just something that was not the norm. I think it's very obvious who this is targeted to, and I'm all for it, because I think the packaging is just simply gorgeous. I also really enjoy the texture of the packaging. So it is like a suede kind of material. It's really soft. I also like that the leave-in conditioner is kind of a contrast to the shampoo and conditioner. It's very obvious what product it is, so you know that the light goes in the shower, and this one stays out of the shower. And I just like who she targeted her brand for. It's very evident that she also feels that women of color, women with women of color and curlier, textured, coarser, coily, whatever, like texture is represented in the brands that are available. I mean, I know for half my life I felt like I was just kind of to conform to what was available. There's so many different products for our hair now, but I just really like that this one is for strictly coily hair, because I feel like a lot of times they try to box wavy and curly in the same box. It's not the same. Wave and coil and curl, this is not a wave. I mean, why would you think that something could do both? Next, so I'm kind of unsure on how I feel about this. And this is just, I guess, my first time doing a review for a big launch. Well, at least it's big to me, where like influencers weren't involved. And I kind of like that. I kind of like that she didn't give her product to anybody, because you know that everything that's, at least from what I've seen, I haven't seen any influencers like really boost this and be like, oh, PR package. Like everybody purchased it. Everybody paid their own money to get this product. So I feel like you're getting a more authentic review. I like that. But she could have obviously benefited from that because it's advertisement. And so giving that, I definitely think that the campaign and her advertising and everything was amazing. It did really well because she sold out of a lot of her products on her launch day of her website. But I don't know. I just hope that she didn't like lose out, I guess, for lack of. Overall, the price point for this is amazing. All 4 of these products that I got, $100 give or take with tax. The oil was $25, conditioner was $25, everything was $25. That's to me, that is really good. It's very comparable to your Diva Curl products. I think Moroccan is a little bit more expensive than that. So that's, again, I think that the price point is spot on. I mean, you're gonna get, when you want quality ingredients, obviously it's going to be a little bit more, like a little steeper. It's not going to be your drugstore because it's not a drugstore or a line. It's not luxury, but it's not drugstore. So it's kind of like a sweet spot. And then also, the amount that you're getting for this price point is really good. Like $25 for all this conditioner. Whoa, because there's 13 ounces in the conditioner. And then there's 9.8 ounces in the leave-in and the shampoo. And then the oil is 3.9. So I feel like you're getting good value for your money as well as quality. I guess my last thoughts that I want to leave you guys with as far as like the whole line is I'm really curious to know if she's going to do additional products. I think for a start, she hit the nail on the head. But I'm really curious to see if she brings more things like a treatment, an oil treatment, or a mask, or a styling gel. But yeah, so let's dive on into each product, and I'll start in kind of order. So first, you would usually start with your shampoo. It's a slight lather in the shower, so you're not getting like a whole bunch of lather, which I like to feel some type of lather in the shower. I know there's some people are like, no lather. I'm not that girl. I like to try and feel a little bit, and that was exactly what this shampoo was like. It wasn't like overly lathery, but there was some lather, and I cleansed twice. I really focused on my scalp originally, and then I rinsed, and then the second time I focused on the scalp and then also applied some to my end. And with me cleansing twice, it is exactly what it says. This is a hydration shampoo. It was hydrating. My hair did not feel stripped. My hair did not feel overly dry. It just didn't feel like brittle. And a lot of times I'm really reluctant to use shampoo. So I do a lot of co-washing, or I'll do like a shampoo every other. Another thing I noticed was the fragrance. So the fragrance is nice. I feel like it smells like a Jergens lotion or something like that. Like it's not florally, it's not masculine, it's not feminine. It's very subtle. I don't know. I wish it smelled better. I wish that it had a little bit more. I don't know. It smells good, but it doesn't. But sometimes, like I don't know. I can smell it on my hair, but like not like I want to. Like I like whenever I wash my hair, like it's day 1 of wash and go or day 2, and I walk past somebody and they're like, "Ooh, you smell good by perfume," and I'm wearing. I'm like, "Oh, that's just my hair." But if I'm going to trade one over the other, I'm going to trade quality and like hydration over a smell. Duh. Anyways, and then my last observation about it, but the hole for the lid, it's very large. Really easy to get a lot of products. So you're not going to get like a quick dime size, which I understand we don't need that for our hair, but just be careful because it's really easy to over squeeze, and it comes out very fast. And I think that's because she kept the same packaging across all of the products, and the conditioner is obviously a little thicker, and I'll get to that, and so it needs a larger hole. But for the shampoo, it's abrupt, like I was like, whoa. And the same thing for the leave-in. Next, obviously you would use your conditioner in the bathroom. And so first things first, the obvious is that the conditioner is larger than the shampoo. That's awesome because, like I said, I alternate whenever I wash my hair or do a wash and go. And so sometimes I'm not always shampooing. I'll use this as a co-wash, and I go through conditioner so much faster than shampoo. So it's really frustrating. So this is amazing, like genius. Who wouldn't think of this? And I got the heavy conditioner for coilies. It's amplified hydration and nourishment. I think that it's definitely just that. It's really heavy and it's really like dense. Like when it came out, it's like it is like almost like a clay texture, like a non-hardened clay, I guess, if you will. It's very thick, and now when I instantly put it in my hand, I was like, oh, this is gonna have zero slip. Like I'm gonna have hell detangling my hair, and that was far from the truth. So it's really heavy, but my detangling process, because I detangle in the shower, it was perfect. Very minimal tangles. I naturally shed a lot, so I still had the same amount of shedding. I can't really say if I had more or less shedding because I feel like I'm not in the norm for that, but this conditioner is good. The smell, similar to the shampoo, I'm underwhelmed. It smells, again, like kind of like a Jergens lotion. Jergens, not Jergens. So for the conditioner, she has the medium, she has heavy, and then she has intensive. I was really curious to see how the intensive was, but I didn't want to weigh my hair down because my hair is really fine. Definitely recommend if you have more of a finer hair shaft, but you're on the drier side. Lastly, for the conditioner, what my concern is, and I kind of touched on this with the shampoo, so I feel like the hole is really large for the product, and that's because it comes out really slow, really thick. But I worry because of how thick the product is, when I get down to the end, am I going to be able to get it all out? I don't think I'm going to. I think I'm going to have to cut, because I'm going to get it all. I think I'm going to have to cut like the top off and squeeze it out, because I just don't think it's going to come out, even though the hole is larger, on the larger side. But definitely A+++++ on this conditioner. Very impressed. All right, so next, as far as application order, would be the leave-in conditioner. It's not a cream. It's more of a texture of like a shampoo, which I was shocked. So originally going in, I went in and it was like massive, like a whole dollop on my hand, and I was like, whoa. So I had my hair section in like a sixth or a fourth maybe, and again, my hair is really fine, so my hair is wet. It's not a lot. Like it's very deceiving. So it comes out all very quickly, and I just was surprised that it wasn't a cream. Again, the fragrance it's underwhelming. I don't know. I just wish that it smelled better. All the products. Shine. I didn't really get a shine. Like, I don't know if you can see it. Obviously, the light is going to help with any shine, like amplifying any shine on the camera. I used it with the Jojoba oil, and I didn't get a lot of shine. So maybe with the argan oil, you'll get more shine. I don't know. But agree that it is a soft hold. They describe it as moisture lotion, and I don't really get the lotion feel. So yeah, but I do definitely think that the leave-in conditioner is really hydrating once I apply it to my hair. Like, I can always tell how hydrated my hair is based off of my color, because my hair does have like a caramel blonde tips to the end, and so when it's really hydrated, it's definitely more of a dark brown. And then the drier my hair gets, the lighter, more blonde it actually looks. It's not oily, like you don't have like a residue. There's no film. I definitely don't think this product would be like a heavy buildup, like give you a buildup issue, like if you were to reapply day 3, day 4. I definitely think that the leave-in conditioner is really good. The only thing that I wish I could change about it is that it had the fragrance and a little bit more shine. And then lastly will be the Jojoba Jojoba. If I'm saying this wrong, y'all, please don't come for me in these comments. Like, don't make fun of me. The smell is still very similar to the other ones, but at least they're all cohesive. Actually, this one smells a little bit better to me. It actually reminds me of something I have. This to me smells the best out of everything, which is fine because you're sealing it in. This is my last step. I usually do oil to lock in the moisture. I really like the oil outside again of the shine. So again, I don't know if that's the argan oil that has more of the shine, but this one says suggested use, goes a long way. That's debatable. I think I do like 3 pumps a section, maybe 5, because I think I go back in with like 2 more pumps. I've been using this one for a week because I started using this immediately, and I waited for everything else, and I was applying it to the ends and my scalp, and I definitely think that it played a huge part in my scalp, because especially when I'm wearing a bun, like the middle part of my scalp gets so dry. I don't know if it's because it's exposed to the elements or like it's because it's in a tight style. I don't know, it just gets really dry, and I was applying that, had no problems, and I definitely think that it's worth the price. And this is $25. I think where my other favorite oil is the Moroccan oil. So expensive. I think it's like $34 for maybe a third. No, it's definitely not a half of this, maybe a half. Let me not lie. This is definitely more affordable than the Moroccan oil. So that is all that I bought, ladies and gentlemen. Overall, I really like the line. I mean, I think I've said that enough, and you're probably annoyed by it, but I think that my results of my wash and go, especially with this being day 1, are really, really good. Granted, I haven't walked outside in the elements. This is day 1, so I'm not sure how much hold I'm gonna have. I don't think that the hold of the leave-in conditioner will really do it for these Houston streets, because it's so humid out here, but that's typical with any product. So if it's humid outside, my hair is going to suck in the moisture, because I have very porous hair, so it's like a sponge. It sucks up everything. It's really unfortunate, but that's, hey, that's what I got to deal with. I think the overall line is really awesome. If I had to rate all the products, why did I do this to myself? But if I had to rate them, I would definitely say the conditioner, the heavy conditioner, the shampoo. I would then do the leave-in and then the oil. But if you're gonna buy one thing out of the whole shebang, get the conditioner. And with the size, it's just awesome. I'm really impressed. I love the brand. I love the marketing. I love Tracee. I like everything about it. Even with this hair parted to the side and it being different. I have the volume, but I have the moisture. It's not weighed down. It's very light and fluffy. There's absolutely no crunch to my hair. I still have the definition that I want. All right, so that's it, guys. If you guys are interested in these products, I definitely say it's worth your while to go pick them up. It's not a huge splurge. You can even do the travel size if you want to just that's my trick. If I'm curious how a product is, I do the travel size if they offer it to see if I like it before I go in for the big full size thing. So that's it, guys. These are the products. These are my thoughts. This was my review. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I think that the brand is awesome. I'm really excited to see what she continues to bring out. If any more products come our way, I'll definitely try to pick those up and give my thoughts about those as well. If you liked this video, as always, give it a big thumbs up. Leave some love below. Leave your opinions below if you tried it and you didn't get the same result, or if you think that the argan oil is great because I didn't try the argan oil, let me know. Even the intensive conditioner, I will definitely be using these to empty and re-upping. Yeah, it's so good. And I will leave you guys with that. And until next time.